Okay, Mr. Hooper. We'll take good care of it and have it done real soon. See you next week. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. A customer just dropped off their conversion order. Here at Nutmeg TV, you can bring us your old home movies and we'll convert them on site for you. Whether it's tapes, photos, films, slides, we do it all. You bring us your memories and we do the rest. Let me show you what I mean. Hey, Rich.
Oh, hey there.
Got another order for you.
Great.
Looks like you're working on a film order.
Yup, it's for Mrs. Rogers. She hasn't seen her wedding in years, and now she can. We'll put it on a flash drive and a DVD so she and her family can watch it again.
She was really excited that we do it all in-house and that we don't send it out. I can't wait to call her when it's ready. So if you want to preserve your precious memories, drop it all off at Nutmeg TV. From film, tapes, slides, and photos, we do it all. Give us a call. For more information, 860-321-7405 or nutmegtv.com.